The Hito Tribe Integrated Territorial Organization Hito protested the recent electricity tariff hike by distributing leaflets across Shillong, Jawai and Sora. The increase, which burdens domestic consumers while benefiting industrial users, has sparked widespread discontent. Hito has called on the government to invoke Section 65 of the Indian Electricity Act 2003 to provide subsidies for domestic consumers and suspend a new tariff order until transparency is ensured. The group also condemned retroactive billing from April 2024, calling it unfair amid economic challenges.
Wan biang mentar si banyasa mi kini kilim kedap si dipai ba nginyo man pensuku dipai ba sarkar kali dulu pakaluti nak peduk bab ka ais ki baruspa ngiru mentar si nak kaliang jungi lawan si dukan si try dukan si dipai ba borong pai dulu bat pensuku yaki ba kani ka komle jo ka MSRC jo ka Meghalaya electricity regulatory board kalau mai kabamla ngisya bangiru ni ap dia kata kalai putarik November banginiyo kata ka cuba maka sarkar bak nakalian di jongki nong penyat jongka boarding bat electricity jongka MECL ba ya kani ka pelai ka kila le mentah di belapan kiu iki beduk iki longying longsem iki domestic iki light industries kila penkiu benrai pat iki heavy industries pat kila pendia